Crypto, tokens, rug pull, scam. That's Web3, right? This is what most people think. And honestly, I don't blame you. The loudest part of Web3 currently is money. And here's something no one tells you about. Web3 is not just crypto. It is something beyond it. Something built over a thing called blockchain. And no, it's not complicated. Think of blockchain like a shared Google Doc. No one can own it. You cannot secretly edit it. And once written, it stays there forever. So one company is not controlling your data. It is spread across thousands of computers. That's it. Crypto is one app built on top of that system. Like Instagram is built on top of internet. Blockchain is the base and cryptocurrency is just one use case. And Web3, it is the tech that gives users more control, not just more coins. Let's break this down completely. When internet evolved from Web 1 to Web 2, it didn't just create social media. It created e-commerce, cloud computing, streaming, online banking, and creator economy. And finance, that was just one part of it. Similarly, in Web 3, finance was just a part of it because blockchain started with Bitcoin. But was Bitcoin the only part of it? Not really. What was the real innovation? Decentralization. Decentralization means one person is not the boss. Instead of one person deciding everything, everyone gets a chance to decide together. It is not just about decentralized money, but decentralized power. Instead of renting your content from platforms like Instagram, YouTube, or companies deciding on your behalf, Web3 asks a fundamental question. What if user own their digital presence, their digital identity? And that's the real shift. Web3 systems are not just building wallets, tokens, or exchanges. They are building something that's real. Decentralized social networks or identity-based frameworks, ownership-based communities, and blockchain-based reputation systems. Finance is just the first layer, but ownership is the actual foundation. So no, Web3 is not just crypto. Crypto is just the starting point, but there is a whole lot inside. A complete different world, a complete different internet structure. The world of Web3, the world of ownership. And now we all know Web3 is not just crypto.